Good morning, students. Today, we will be discussing about visceral organs. So, visceral organs means what? They are internal organs, and you'll find this one. I'll show you in the specimen. So, do you remember this liver, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Liver is also known as what? The largest what? Largest
Gland.
gland in the human body, and the second largest what? Second largest?
Organ.
Yes.
Organ.
Organ, ma'am.
Okay. And this liver lies where? Where does it lie? I mean, where it is located? ये liver कहाँ पे है? कौन सा part पे है?
Right upper portion of the abdomen.
Okay. And it is partly protected by the rib cage. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And it is divided into how many lobes?
4 lobes.
Name them. Mahmuda, name
Right
them.
lobe. Right liver. Sir, ma'am, right lobe, left lobe, caudate and quadrant.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So today we'll be discussing about brain. Can you see the screen? आज हम लोग
Yes,
brain के बारे में discuss करेंगे. Can everyone see?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your brain. This is specimen, okay, which I've collected from the laboratory. So this is your brain. So just by hearing the word brain, can you see anything about brain? Just from your point of view, just from your, just like that. अच्छा कोई बोल सकता है ब्रेन के बारे में कुछ ऐसे ऐसे मतलब कुछ आइडिया है ब्रेन के बारे में ऐसे तुम्हारा हिसाब से बोलो ये ब्रेन क्या हो सकता है
ब्रेन है तो हम पर है
हाँ हाँ what is it Surajit you were saying something yes Surajit हाँ सूरज कुछ बोल रहे थे तुम
Brain controls all function of the body.
helps in controlling the function of your body yes correct anyone else
Yes.
Brain is one of the largest, most complex organ in the human body.
okay anyone else
It is the central processing unit of the body, like the computer.
okay Vishal you
Yes,
are for
ma'am.
third semester na third
No, ma'am. Third semester.
yeah that's what actually this is for first semester students okay
Oh, okay, ma'am.
you leave the meeting
Okay, I thought it was for the third semester. Sorry, ma'am.
no it's first semester you can leave the meeting
Okay, ma'am.
okay okay this is your brain okay and the brain it is the center of your thoughts means whatever you think you plan something or not कुछ सोचते हो ना सोचते हो कि नहीं हाँ तो ये ब्रेन मतलब कंटिन्यूअसली मतलब फंक्शन करता है योर ब्रेन इज कंटिन्यूअसली फंक्शनिंग okay even when you sleep also you used to have dreams or not सपने देखते हो है कि नहीं सोते 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 समय हाँ तो अगर कुछ चीजों के बारे में अगर इतना सोचने से क्या होगा वो उसके बारे में ही सपने आते हैं कि नहीं means if you think about too much about something what happens you used to see in your dreams or not yeah you even used to have dreams so that one is possible because of what that one is possible because of your brain वो क्यों पॉसिबल है क्योंकि ब्रेन की वजह से क्योंकि ब्रेन मतलब कंटिन्यूअसली मतलब फंक्शन करता है ठीक है और कंट्रोल करता है जो हमारे शरीर ना हमारा पूरा जो लोग जो करते हैं वो पूरा मतलब कंट्रोल करता है एंड दिस ब्रेन दे what do they help you in controlling everything okay they help you in controlling everything means they help you in thinking they help you in planning means everything they help you in that it is the center of our thoughts Okay, and this brain, and the average adult human brain is how much kg? 1.5 kg. Okay, the weight. The weight of the human brain is how much? 1.5 kg. ये ह्यूमन ब्रेन का वजन कितना है? इसका वजन 1.5
1.5
kg है. Okay. Okay. And the brain, you can see that it is divided into 4 parts or 4 regions. Okay, this okay, ठीक है. ये brain मतलब 4 regions में divided है. First part क्या है? The first part is cerebrum. Okay, the first part is cerebrum. The second part or the second region is the diencephalon. This is the diencephalon. This is the diencephalon. And in this diencephalon, you will see that again it is divided into 2 parts. The first part is hypothalamus, this one. And the second is the thalamus. Okay, so these are the 2 parts of diencephalon. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand, students?
Okay.
Okay. So the next, sorry. So the next is brainstem. Okay, the third region or the third part is the brainstem. So this is the brainstem. So in the brainstem, you can again see that it is divided into 3 parts. 3 parts. The first one is what? Midbrain. This is your midbrain. The next is pons. This is pons. And the next is medulla oblongata. This one. This part is known as medulla oblongata. Okay, are you clear about brainstem? First is the midbrain, second is pons, and the last is medulla oblongata. Okay, so these are the 3 parts of the brainstem, and the last part is cerebellum. This is cerebellum, this part. Okay, so this part is your cerebellum. Well, I'll repeat again. The first part is cerebrum. It is also known as the largest region of the brain. Okay, from the picture itself, you can just see that this is the largest part. And the next is diencephalon, this one. Diencephalon, you can see that it is divided into 2 parts. Don't see this part, this is gland. Okay, this is gland, don't get confused with this. So diencephalon, it is divided into 2 parts. There is hypothalamus, this one. And the next is thalamus, this one. And the third is what? The brainstem. This is your brainstem. And this brainstem, it is divided into 3 parts. Okay, the first part is midbrain, this one. The second is pons, this one. And the third is medulla oblongata, this one. So these are the 3 parts of the brainstem. And the last is cerebellum. The last part. This is cerebellum. Okay. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will discuss about all these parts one by one. अभी हम लोग ये सब जो parts है brain का एक एक करके अभी देखेंगे. Okay, first part cerebrum. ये जो part. Okay, the first part is your cerebrum, and it is the largest part of the brain. From the picture itself, you can just see it. So it is the largest part of your brain. And this cerebrum, it is divided into 2 hemispheres. Okay, that is right and the left. I'm showing this one from sidewise, that's why it can't be seen. But it is divided into 2 regions or 2 hemispheres. That is the right and the left hemispheres. Okay. And what is the function of this cerebrum? The function of this cerebrum is that they helps in interpreting touch. Interpreting touch means what? Means if you touch something, maybe you are closing your eyes, maybe you are not seeing the thing which you have touched, but if you just touch it, you'll be able to know it. Maybe if someone gives you water, or maybe someone gives you like pen, pencil, anything, like if you close your eyes and you'll be able to just feel it. It's not it. You'll be able to just know it. Yes? You'll be able to know it or not? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that one is known as interpreting touch. Okay, interpreting touch means you will be able to just know it. And next is what? Vision and hearing. Means you are able to see with the help of the cerebrum. You are able to hear. You are able to hear me now, even now also. You are able to hear something. Because of what? Because of this, sorry, because of this cerebrum. Okay, as well as you are able to speak, as well as speech. As well as speech means what? You are able to speak. I'm speaking now. Okay, you also, if I have something, obviously you will speak, you will be, so you can speak with the help of what? With the help of the cerebrum. Okay, and next is what? Reasoning. You are able to reason something, maybe like, suppose you are late today for class, and maybe you are having some personal work, or maybe something, you are doing something. So you will be able to reason me, ma'am, because I was doing this. So because of that, I couldn't attend the class at the exact time. So you will be able to reason. You will be able to give your justice. You will be able to say something. So that one is known as reasoning. Okay. And next is what? Emotions. You can control your emotions. Means like maybe crying, maybe sad, maybe happy. So the cerebrum helps you in that, controlling your emotions. And the next is learning. Means you are learning something every day, some new things. That one is learning. And fine control of movement. Fine control of movement means you are able to do something, some physical activities. You are able to move your hands, legs, feet, neck, head, all this. So you are able to control, you are able to do all these things because of this cerebrum. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubts in cerebrum? तो सेरेब्रम, ये जो सेरेब्रम है ये सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है ब्रेन का, और ये सेरेब्रम दो हेमिस्फीयर्स में डिवाइडेड है. एक है लेफ्ट हेमिस्फीयर और एक है राइट हेमिस्फीयर. तो ये सेरेब्रम हमारे लिए मतलब बहुत फायदेमंद है. जैसे कि क्या? इंटरप्रेटिंग टच मतलब अगर हम लोग को कुछ दिया जाता है, जैसे कि बोलो पेन, पेंसिल, पानी, जो भी, अगर आंख बंद करने से और उसको छूने से क्या होगा, तुम्हें ऑब्वियसली पता चलेगा ये वो है, ये वो है, उसको बोलते हैं इंटरप्रेटिंग टच. और अगला क्या है? अगला आता है विजन एंड हियरिंग. मतलब तुम देख सकते हो, तुम सुन सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि सेरेब्रम की मदद से तुम ये सब कर पाते हो. और अलग दूसरा क्या है? स्पीच. मतलब तुम बोल सकते हो, ठीक है, तुम कुछ बोल सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि सेरेब्रम की मदद की वजह से तुम ये सब कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्या है? रीजनिंग. रीजनिंग मतलब अगर आज मतलब क्लास अटेंड किया, लेकिन लेट से, बहुत देर से अटेंड किया, क्योंकि तुम्हारा कुछ प्रॉब्लम था, मे बी तुम मतलब कुछ पर्सनल काम था, नहीं तो फिर तुम्हारा तबीयत इतना अच्छा नहीं था, तो इसकी वजह से तुम लेट आया. ठीक है, तो अगर टीचर पूछने से क्यों लेट आया, तुम बोल सकते हो, बोल पाओगे, है कि नहीं, क्योंकि मैम मेरा तो वो प्रॉब्लम था, इसलिए मैंने क्लास देर से अटेंड किया था. ठीक है, तो मतलब तुम रीजन दे पाओगे, मतलब तुम कुछ बोल पाओगे. ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं रीजनिंग. और नेक्स्ट क्या? इमोशंस. मतलब तुम खुशी, दुखी, रोना धोना, ये सब इमोशंस ये सेरेब्रम कंट्रोल करता है. नेक्स्ट क्या? लर्निंग. हर रोज नया नया चीजें सीखते हो, है कि नहीं, तो ये सेरेब्रम की वजह से है. तो फाइन कंट्रोल और मूवमेंट मतलब तुम जो करते हो, हर रोज जो करते हो काम वगैरह, वो सब सेरेब्रम की वजह से है. ठीक है. Did you understand everyone about cerebrum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let us move to the next. Okay, next is brainstem. Okay, so this is your brainstem. So your brainstem is located where? Your brainstem is located in between your cerebrum, this one, and cerebellum, this one. Okay, so it is in the middle, this brainstem. And this brainstem, it is connected towards your spinal cord. Okay, means your vertebra. You remember the vertebral column? So this brainstem, they are connected to your vertebra, means your spinal cord. Okay, and this brainstem, it has got different functions, such as what? They helps you in breathing. Okay, breathing in, breathing out. They helps you in that. And next is heart rate, means they helps you in controlling your heart rate, circulatory system, your heart pumps blood. All these things. Because of all these things, means you are able to perform all this. Yes, can you hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this brainstem, in this brainstem, the first one what I was saying, breathing. They helps you in breathing. And the second is what? Heart rate. They're able to control your circulatory system, means your heart. Your heart is able to function because of what? Because of this brainstem, with the help of this brainstem. And next is body temperature. They help you in maintaining your body temperature. Okay, hypothermia, hyperthermia. You remember now all this. So your brainstem helps you in that. Okay, maintaining your body temperature. Next is wake and sleep cycles, means they help you in what? Sleeping pattern. Okay, sleeping pattern wise, the brainstem helps you in that. Next is for digestion. They helps you in controlling your digestive system. Okay, they also helps in digestive system part. And the next is what? Sneezing. When you sneeze, when you cough, in all these things, the brainstem is responsible for it. Next is vomiting and swallowing. Vomiting and swallowing means you are able to vomit, you are able to swallow something. So that one is all under the control of the brainstem. Okay, all these activities you are able to perform only because of the brainstem. Okay, are you clear? And this brainstem means it is automatic. Automatic functions means you breathe in, means you are breathing, your heart rate, means everything, means it's automatic. Everything is automatic. Okay, naturally. It's natural. So the brainstem helps you in performing all these things. Okay, are you clear, everyone, about brainstem? Okay, I'll repeat again. ये brainstem जो है ना, वो cerebrum, ठीक है, ये cerebrum और cerebellum के बीच में है, ठीक है, बीच में है ये brainstem. और उसका काम क्या है? ये जो brainstem है, जो हमारे शरीर का जो ऑटोमेटिक फंक्शंस होता है, जैसे कि सांस लेना, और जैसे कि हमारा हार्ट फंक्शन करता है ना, हार्ट पंप ब्लड इजंट इट एंड गोस टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. तो ये सब काम में ब्रेनस्टेम मदद करता है. और टेम्परेचर मे बी मतलब ठंड लगना, मे बी गर्म लगना, ये सब में मतलब ब्रेनस्टेम मदद करता है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? नेक्स्ट मतलब उठना जागना, ये सब नींद, नींद बोलो, ये सब में ब्रेन स्टेम मदद करता है। नेक्स्ट क्या है, डाइजेशन। ठीक है, डाइजेशन लेने के लिए ये सब ब्रेन स्टेम मदद करता है। नेक्स्ट क्या है, स्नीजिंग, मतलब छींकते हो, ठीक है, छींकते हैं, उसके बाद कफ करते हो, ये सब में ब्रेन स्टेम रेस्पॉन्सिबल है। नेक्स्ट क्या है, वॉमिटिंग, वॉमिटिंग करते हो और कुछ स्वालो करते हो, मतलब कुछ गिलते हो, ये सब में ब्रेन स्टेम रेस्पॉन्सिबल है। ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन ब्रेन स्टेम?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, नेक्स्ट इज cerebellum, this one, last part. Okay, and this cerebellum is located where? It is located under your cerebrum. This is your cerebrum, so under this, just below it is situated. And the function of the cerebellum is what? The function of the cerebellum is that it helps in coordinate muscle movements. Coordinate muscle movements means what? Suppose, I'll just give you one example. Suppose you are walking, okay? Suppose you are walking, and how will you walk? Obviously, you will move both of your legs, is not it? Right leg and the left leg. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, obviously you will move both of your legs. So that one is known as coordination, means together, doing together. Okay, so that one is known as coordinate muscle movement, means they will work together. And the next is what? Maintain body posture. Means your posture, whatever, maybe you are sitting, standing, sitting, anything. So this cerebellum helps you in that. And the next is what? Balance. They helps you in balancing. Okay, balancing everything, especially your physical activities, they helps you in that. Okay, तो ये cerebellum, ये जो लास्ट पार्ट है, okay, और ये cerebellum कहाँ पे है? ठीक cerebrum के नीचे पे है। और ये cerebellum, इसका काम क्या है? cerebellum का काम ये है कि हम लोग को अच्छे से काम करने के लिए देती है। मतलब जैसे कि तुम एग्जांपल देती हो, जैसे कि तुम चल रहे हो, ओके, राइट, और जब तुम चलोगे क्या होगा? ऑब्वियसली तुम्हारा दाएं और बाएं पाँव चलेगा, है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये सब इसको बोलते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट, मतलब एक साथ काम करना। ठीक है, तो ये सेरेब्रम मतलब एक साथ काम करने के लिए मदद करता है। और उसके बाद क्या, पोस्चर, मतलब उठना बैठना, वो सब में मतलब ये सेरेब्रम हेल्प करता है। और नेक्स्ट है बैलेंस। बैलेंस मतलब जो भी करो तुम, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज या जो भी, और ये सेरेब्रम मदद करता है। Okay, are you clear everyone about the three?
मैम डायनसिफिलॉन उसके बारे में तो आपने कहा नहीं।
डायनसिफिलॉन मतलब यहाँ पे क्या होता है? यहाँ पे ग्लैंड्स होता है, ठीक है, ग्लैंड्स। और ये ग्लैंड्स मतलब मैं मतलब एक यूनिट है, वहां पे मैं अच्छे से डिस्कस करूंगी। एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड है, ठीक है। Why I didn't discuss about this diencephalon? Because in the endocrine gland, okay, in the endocrine gland you will be getting hypothalamus and thalamus. So I will be discussing with you. But in just short, in just brief, I'll just explain that diencephalon. In this diencephalon, there is a hypothalamus and thalamus. They are the gland, okay, and this gland they helps in what? They helps you in passing information.
Yes,
Okay.
pituitary gland.
The gland. The name of the gland is hypothalamus and thalamus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these glands, what will they do? They helps in passing information. Okay, means your brain will tell them, means go and tell like the liver to function properly, go and tell the stomach to function properly. Means in this way they will go and pass information to the organs so that they will function normally. Okay,
Yes,
are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you clear everyone? Is it clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is lobes of the brain. Lobes means what? Parts of the brain. Parts of the brain. So this cerebral hemisphere, okay, cerebral we can also say as cerebrum. You remember now, cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. For the cerebrum, it is divided into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lobes. It's not it. For these 4 lobes, it has got different functions. ठीक है, याद है ना ये सेरेब्रल मतलब सेरेब्रम ही बोल सकते हैं. सेरेब्रम सबसे बड़ा पार्ट था ब्रेन का, है कि नहीं? और ये
Yes,
सेरेब्रम
ma'am.
मतलब 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. ठीक है, 4 पार्ट्स या 4 लोब्स, इसको ज्यादातर लोब्स बोलते हैं. तो ये 4 लोब्स क्या है? फ्रंटल लोब, पैराइटल लोब, टेम्पोरल लोब, ऑक्सीपिटल लोब. Okay, so we have got 4 lobes in the brain, that is the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. Okay, so the frontal lobe, you will find 1. And parietal lobe, how many? Parietal bone, how many? Parietal bone, how many?
2.
Yes, 2. 2 you will find. Okay, and temporal,
Temp temporal 2.
yes, temporal 2. Occipital,
Ma'am, occipital 1.
okay, very good. Occipital 1. Okay, frontal 1, parietal 2, temporal 2, and occipital 1. So these are the 4 lobes of the brain. So अभी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे लोब्स के बारे में. पहला है फ्रंटल लोब. ठीक है, ये जो पार्ट है, दिस पार्ट, इसको बोलते हैं फ्रंटल लोब. दिस पार्ट द फ्रंट, फ्रॉम द नेम इटसेल्फ फ्रंट, इट इज एट द फ्रंट. ठीक है, ठीक आगे है ये फ्रंटल लोब. ठीक है. Okay, now we will discuss about the function. First is what? Personality. Personality, behavior, emotions. Personality means what? Means how you are appearing, how you are presenting yourself in front of your friends, how you are presenting yourself in front of your um, classmates, how you are presenting yourself in front of teachers, how you are presenting yourself in front of strangers. So that one is known as personality. Okay. And the next is behavior, how you behave, good or bad. So your frontal lobes is responsible for it. And emotions such as what? Such as happy, sad. So in all these things, your frontal lobe helps in that. The first, पहला क्या है? ये frontal lobe. इसका नाम से पता चलो, frontal मतलब आगे, front में होगा, आगे पे होगा. तो ये frontal lobe हमारे क्या क्या मदद करता है? पर्सनैलिटी मतलब तुम अपने आप को कैसे वो करते हो, दोस्तों के बीच में, टीचर्स के बीच में, फ्रेंड्स के बीच में, क्लासमेट्स के बीच में. ठीक है, ये सब मायने रखता है. मतलब फ्रंटल लोब की वजह से ये सब तुम कर पाते हो. पर्सनैलिटी और बिहेवियर मतलब तुम अच्छे से बर्ताव करते हो कि बुरे बर्ताव करते हो, ये सब फ्रंटल लोब कंट्रोल करता है. नेक्स्ट क्या है? इमोशन जैसे कि रोना धोना, खुश होना, ये सब. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट क्या है? जजमेंट मीन्स व्हाट? जजमेंट मीन्स मे बी you are able to judge something. It's not, it means if a person is doing something wrong, obviously if the person will steal something or do something bad or do something
Good or
good,
bad.
you will be able to give reason or not, judgment. You will be able to say something or not if the person is doing good or bad. It's not it. So that one is possible because of the frontal lobe. Understand? And next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
planning. You plan something. Maybe you are planning that you will do. I will go to park. I will go this. I will do that. So this planning and all, it's possible because of your frontal lobe. Understand? And next is problem solving. Problem solving means when you are able to solve something, whatever problems you are facing. So the frontal lobes helps you in solving all those problems. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. फ्रंटल लोब का पहला क्या है? मतलब जजमेंट मतलब अगर तुम कुछ करने से या दूसरा कुछ बुरा काम करने से, जैसे कि चोरी करो या किसी को मार डालो, ये सब. ठीक है, अगर ये सब तो बुरा चीज है कि नहीं? तो तुम मतलब कारण दे पाओगे, मतलब वो इंसान वो इंसान का काम सही है या गलत है, तो तुम कारण दे पाओगे, उसको बोलते हैं जजमेंट। ठीक है। और नेक्स्ट क्या है प्लानिंग, मतलब कुछ तुम सोच रहे हो, प्लान कर रहे हो कि मैं वहां जाऊंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, मैं वो करूंगी, ये सब। तो ये सब पॉसिबल क्यों है, फ्रंटल लोब की वजह से। और नेक्स्ट क्या है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग। प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग मतलब अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होने से तुम उसका छुटकारा लेते हो कि नहीं, मतलब सॉल्व करते हो कि नहीं प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, तो उसको बोलते हैं प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग। नेक्स्ट इज स्पीच। Okay, so in this speech, what you will find speaking and writing. Okay, you will be able to speak as well as you will be able to write. Okay, it is also known as Brocard's area. I'll explain to you in the next slide. So this, because of this frontal lobe, you are able to speak something, and as well as you are able to write something, which is known as Brocard's area. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या है स्पीच, मतलब तुम कुछ बोल सकते हो और मतलब लिख पाते हो, उसको बोलते हैं ब्रोकार्ड्स एरिया। मैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में दिखाऊंगी। ठीक है, तो ये पॉसिबल क्यों है, ये पॉसिबल है क्योंकि ये फ्रंटल लोब मदद करता है, फ्रंटल लोब की वजह से ये सब काम कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, समझ में आया? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? Next is okay. Next is body movement. You are able to move your body. You are able to do anything with your body. So that one is because of what? Because of the frontal lobe. Listen. और अगला क्या है, अगला बॉडी मूवमेंट, मतलब तुम्हारा शरीर को तुम जैसे भी मतलब कंट्रोल कर सकते हो कि नहीं, मूवमेंट कर सकते हो कि नहीं, मतलब साइड वाइज मूव कर सकते हो या जो भी तुम्हारा मर्जी है वो, ये सब बॉडी मूवमेंट क्यों पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि फ्रंटल लोब की वजह से। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्या है इंटेलिजेंस, मतलब जो जो नॉलेज, जो जो ज्ञान तुम मिलते हो, ठीक है, जो जो ज्ञान तुम मिलते हो वो क्यों वो है, मतलब क्यों, किसकी वजह से ये सब हो रहा है, ये ज्ञान है, क्योंकि फ्रंटल लोब मदद करता है। ओके, सो योर नॉलेज, okay, your knowledge, your intelligence is possible because of what? Because of this frontal lobe. And next is concentration, means you're able to concentrate something. You're able to concentrate something because of what? Because of this frontal lobe. Okay, और next क्या है, तुम कुछ concentrate कर पा रहे हो। Okay, क्यों क्यों concentrate कर पा रहे हो, क्योंकि frontal lobe की मदद की वजह से तुम concentrate कर पा रहे हो। और next क्या self awareness. Self awareness, I'll just give you one example. Suppose as we are having with this pandemic situation, this COVID-19, so in order to prevent from this, what are the things that you are doing? Can anyone say?
Marks.
Masks, wear a mask. Okay. Anything else?
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer. Okay. Okay, so you are aware, it's not it. You are aware that you won't be having this virus. It's not it. That one is in self-awareness. You are aware not to have. So in order to get rid of that virus, you are doing something. It's not it. So that one is known as self-awareness. You are aware that if something will happen to me, it won't be good for me as well as for my family as well as for my friends. So for that you are aware that this thing won't happen to me. So you are doing all these things. Okay, washing hands, wearing a mask, and social distancing, and so on. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्या है सेल्फ अवेयरनेस। सेल्फ अवेयरनेस मतलब अपने आप को होशियारी रखना। ठीक है, होशियारी जैसे कि आजकल ये पैंडेमिक चल रहा है कोविड-19, तो कोविड-19 वायरस नहीं होने के लिए तुम क्या करते हो, हाथ धोते हो, मास्क पहनते हो और पब्लिक एरिया में इतना मतलब नहीं जाते हो, है कि नहीं, दूरी रखते हो पब्लिक एरिया से। तो वो सब मतलब अवेयर, तुम अवेयर हो, है कि नहीं, होशियार हो, इसकी वजह से तो तुम नहीं कर रहे हो, है कि नहीं, तुम ये सब कर रहे हो, है कि नहीं। इसको बोलते हैं सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, होशियार होना। समझ में आया? Did you understand everyone?
Sir.
Okay, any doubts in frontal lobe? Any doubts in frontal lobe? Yes
No,
or
ma'am.
no? No, no? Okay. So for today, I will complete till here. I will end up here. Okay. And in the next class, I'll explain about parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. The functions of all these. Okay then.